So, Chandrika, you're going to go to Israel to lead a group called Dance of the Lovers. What's going to happen in this group?
Well, the Dance of the Lovers is one stage of the famous AUM meditation, and it is a way where two people come together in a pleasurable way, dancing together, enjoying each other, being playful with each other, and the attraction of two people coming together, feeling the love that is between two people, that is magical. That is magical. And that is where we say existence starts to celebrate when that is happening. And I thought it is important that we put some special emphasis on how we can play with the attraction, how we can come closer to another person. What are our fears? What are our beliefs that we are not good enough, or we are not attractive enough, or the other one is not attractive enough? That we can actually look into all these thematics and find a way that we can love ourselves, accept ourselves just the way we are, so, and how to accept another, a partner, the way he is in his unique way, so that we can start to play with one another and enjoy that we're alive and that we have this life now together.
And yeah, thank you. And if I come to this group and I am in a relationship, what can I expect? What can I learn?
I'm myself in a long time relationship, and I see that when you're in a relationship, often certain things you don't talk about anymore. You just take them for granted. You assume what is happening with the other. And it's very beautiful if you have the space on a weekend to look into all the different ways of how you're relating and how you can expand that so that it becomes more fulfilling for you and also for your partner. When you do that within a group, it will give you the courage to go a step further, to explore, a step further to expose, a step further to maybe share what is on your heart, what normally you may in daily life just bypass without that you put attention to it. And that can really improve your relationship. On the other hand, if you are a single, it is very nice way to come together in an honest way to relate to other people and to find out where your inhibitions are, where your fears are, where your shyness is, and to have the space where you can explore how you can go further, how you can play with other people that are also open for you to be there with you, to play with you, to laugh with you, to explore with you, to be honest with you. So that is a very special space that is magical, where love can start to flow. And when that starts to happen, everything starts to become very inspiring and beautiful. And that's what I would like to create with this group.
Is there anything you would like to add?
Yeah, I want to add something. It's like some people, they are really excited and they are very juicy and passionate, and they want to have a space where they can explore and find out. And I also know other people who are very reluctant and they expect like a lot of terrible things to happen if they would open up to another person or to other people in a group. And I always see that we need to learn to accept ourselves just where we are on our path and our growth path, inner growth path, so that we can start to see, yes, there is a space for everybody where you can be held and you can relax and you can feel you're okay. And that's what I would like to create this weekend. So for some people, it's really going for it and being juicy and passionate. And for others, it's maybe just to learn to see like, yes, even if they're shy, even if they are reluctant, yes, they're also okay and they're also beautiful and they're also lovable. So I'm looking forward to work with you.